hot chicken flavor ramen taste test. This is not going to be a challenge. Well, it may be a challenge to eat it, but I'm not going to label it as a challenge. I'm at an Airbnb. Why can't I say this? Airbnb. I'm at an Airbnb in Hong Kong, in Discovery Bay, and this packet of noodles has traveled with me from the Philippines to Bali, then from Bali to Bulgaria, then from Bulgaria back to the Philippines, and then from the Philippines to here. Everywhere I keep planning to try this, and I can't find the time. Now finally I'm hungry and the filming light is kind of good, so I'm gonna give it a go. I've watched the challenge videos, so I'm a little bit frightened, but seeing as it's a taste test, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna eat the whole thing. So that's where I feel safe. Also, I know you guys, somebody's bound to notice, I have been sick the last few days, so if you notice like my nose peeling, I haven't started doing cocaine, I'm just recovering from a cold. Now I wonder whether this is actually gonna taste like anything, or whether it's just gonna be too chilly and you're not gonna taste it. Also, I wonder where it's made. Do not microwave, yeah, got that. Korea. So from Korea to the Philippines to Bali to Bulgaria, back to the Philippines to, oh, you're not even focusing. Take my word for it. This has traveled a lot. I'm not afraid, you're afraid. You're afraid. Who do you think you are? So I'm just waiting for the water to boil. It's at a high heat, so it's gonna take a very long time. Mesmerizing, isn't it? So because I haven't seen you guys in a while, please comment below and tell me what you've done this past month. Basically since like December, I haven't spoken to you guys. How did you spend your Christmas and New Year's? I will get into how I spent mine in another video, probably an update video. It's just not appropriate to talk about it in this video, so that will be separate. But yeah, let me know what you guys did, what you got up to, and let us rekindle what we once had. State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight. So apparently you're meant to cook it a little bit, stir fry it a little bit with the sauce, and then you finally add the chili flakes. Oh, that smells chili. This kind of smells like mee goreng. I'm not sure if that's really popular in the Philippines. It's really popular in Australia. I think it's Malaysian or Indonesian. I'm not sure. But it smells like this. Although this definitely has like a distinct spicy smell. Stir fry 30 seconds. I think it's been 30 seconds. I'm gonna add now. Oh wow. Is that the chili? It's like sesame seeds. Really? This just looks like sesame seeds and seaweed. Alright. I'm gonna refrain from commenting until I sit down and eat it properly. I'll come back to you in a bit. Oh, that's still hot. So I've watched a lot of spicy noodle challenges, and I was trying to figure out a strategy, whether you just have to eat it fast or whether you should take it slow, because some people say that the spiciness builds up, whereas the little bit that I just tried before, it is hot. I don't know what kind of build up they're talking about, but like to begin with, I like spicy food, but I like for it to be spicy, but for me to still taste the food. I don't like it when it gets so overwhelmingly spicy you can't taste anything. And my taste buds are a bit off at the moment as well because of my cold, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm not excited that it's this hot. I should have put the aircon on. It actually looks good. It looks saucy and like the noodles look chewy. It looks super flavoursome. It's meant to be chicken flavour, but I can't smell chicken. I smell chili. And because I'm doing a taste test and it's not a challenge, I shouldn't just pile through the noodles. That's all I'm thinking about right now. I'm trying to get the flavors. It's I can very, very vaguely taste the sesame seeds and the seaweed, but I mean, this is just the first bite. I don't think I'll be able to taste anything once I finish. I have my tissues on hand and my water. Some people also say that you can't have, it's not good to drink water because it spreads the spiciness all around. I don't know if I agree with that, but I definitely think eating it as quick as possible is the key. I hope my mascara is waterproof. I'm already getting teary-eyed. It's just so emotional. These noodles. These would go great with like ice in Norway or like Iceland. I'm gonna have a little bit of water. Oh, relief. And it's back. I think the trick is you have a little bit of water. And then you put some more in your mouth. I didn't cry this much in Titanic. Why would people do this to themselves? want to get in closer so you can see my reactions better. I think it wouldn't be that bad if it wasn't so hot to begin with. Should have gotten some milk. I didn't even tell you guys what it tastes like. Like regrets. A lot of regrets. It's honestly there's not much else to it except for the chilliness. And it's the chilliness that I hate, where it just hits you at the back of the throat. All of a sudden I feel like it's 40 degrees. You know, all of a sudden I'm not that hungry. I feel like I'm quite fine finishing there. I swear, I think it has MSG in it because I'm craving it. I think I've forgotten how to read. Oh, it's got tapioca starch. It's got sodium carbonate, and I read it as carbonara. That's how chilly it is. Just gonna have like a 2-minute break. I'll come back like next week Thursday and finish that. I can guarantee what goes through everybody's minds when they're doing this challenge. I can guarantee what goes through everybody's mind when they're doing the spicy noodle challenge is first, how many bites do I have left? And second, should I continue? Have I made my point? If I had some lettuce, actually we do have lettuce in the fridge. I don't know if that's really cheating, but I'm not doing the challenge, I'm doing the taste test. So many other things I'd rather be doing than this. Smaller bites are definitely more manageable. Look, I have about 500 bites left. You can do this. You've had spicier, surely. I've choked on chilies before, that's horrible. When you breathe in and it goes down like your windpipe. Worst experience ever. I see some people doing mukbang with this. Like just casually eating this, like a huge like tray of it as well. I don't know whether they're like, they don't have taste buds. Or maybe, maybe they're like birds where they don't taste chili. It's a little bit sweet as well, by the way. Never ending. You know what this would go great with? Rice. Like a lot of rice. It's not that hot anymore. It's still chilly, it's just not that hot. Thanks for watching. So I'd give that a rating of like 8 out of 10. If it was just like 2 pegs down, not as spicy, I think I would have liked it. I'm gonna get some more water. I'll see you guys next time.